Highway driving can feel like a chore, especially in traffic or on long trips. With Ford BlueCruise hands-free driver assist technology, it lets you relax, connect with your passenger, and take in the scenery on your journey. Ford BlueCruise operates on 97% of controlled access highways across Canada and the US. When driving on one of the designated highways or blue zones, a blue light appears on the vehicle's instrument panel. When activated, Ford BlueCruise uses a combination of intelligent adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, vehicle sensors, and radar, along with GPS data to take care of steering, acceleration, and stopping. The driver does, however, need to keep their eyes on the road. With the latest version of Ford BlueCruise, the vehicle will adjust speed accordingly to upcoming curves using predictive speed assist technology, give more space to nearby vehicles with in-lane repositioning, and even change lanes with just the tap of a turn signal, all hands-free. Ford BlueCruise is available on eligible Sync 4 equipped vehicles like Mach-E, F-150, F-150 Lightning, and Expedition. Hands-free driving might sound like something from the future, but Ford offers the technology today with Ford BlueCruise.